I took this problem from 8.1 number 13. I just did a snippet of the online text, and so here we're going to work this one out. This is from the material I use for my Jumpstart classes, and it's from the Hawks book. So this is not an OE1 question. This type of question would have come up somewhere else. This is like a law of sines, law of cosines question. Anyway, that being said, an airplane has to fly between 3 airports. The trip from the first to the second is 120 miles. After landing at the second airport, the airplane must turn 140 degrees to head towards the third airport. At the third airport, it must turn 100 degrees to head to the first airport. How far does the airplane have to travel from the second airport to the third airport? So I'm just going to go with, make it simpler, A for the first airport. So it goes first to the second. We'll call that B. And that's 120 miles. Now, if I extend this down a little bit, that's the direction the plane's facing, and it's turning 140 degrees. So 140 degrees, and it flies to airport C. And then it's going to turn 100 degrees. So this is not drawn to scale. So 100 degrees, and flies back to A. So we'll call this 100 here. That's 140. So we want to find the distance from B to C, or the second to the third airports. We'll call that distance, well, I should call it little a because I used A. So we'll call this A. So let's find our angle measures. If this is 140, the supplement of that is 40 degrees. If this is a 100, the supplement of that's 80 degrees. And that tells us 140 and 80 is 120, so 180 degrees minus 120 degrees is 60 degrees. So it means that A must be 60 degrees. So now we're going to use law of sines to find this missing side. So we have the known 80 degrees corresponds to 120 miles. So I'll do 120 over sine of 80 degrees equals A over sine 60 degrees. And we're trying to find A, so I'll multiply both sides by sine of 60 degrees. Make sure your calculator's in degree mode so that these divide out, and we'll have A equals sine 60 over sine 80 times 120. So since sine 60 is less than sine 80, we know it's going to be less than 120. So let's see here. Change my mode to, you can't see what I'm doing. I'm just going to talk through it. And we have sine of 60 divided by sine of 80 times 120. And I get 105.53 miles. Okay, and that's the distance from A to C. From B to C, excuse me. That's it. I hope that helps. Bye.